Hi, I'm Michelle Catalanello, and as a studio signature artist in New York City, I'm excited to tell you about the seminars we offer our professional hairdressers at the Wella Studios in North America.
Our colour correction seminar is ideal for all stylists, whether you're looking for reliable corrective techniques or you're on your journey to Master Colour Expert program. Gain the confidence to tackle any colour challenge that may come your way.
No matter the hair type or situation you may face, you will learn our time-tested methodology so you can create the strategy needed to ensure a beautiful result and a happy client.
You'll gain an understanding of all different types of color correction scenarios that you can encounter, how to identify them, understand the cause, and of course, selecting the proper correction technique. If you are wondering what's next after color correction, take the ultimate challenge and put yourself to the test in your Master Color Expert program. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you create a transformational learning plan that's personalized to your unique journey. We look forward to seeing you at a Wella studio soon.